Watch.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Do the thing. Do the hand. Give me your hand.
Okay,
do the thing. No, do the
on.
thing. Do the escape thing you showed me.
Oh, yeah,
Do the cool escaping, yeah. Is that tight? That's
oh,
really
my
tight.
God.
Try.
Okay, all right. So,
This is really cool.
if ever you're stuck in a situation like this, whether it's your wrist or it's your ankles, this is a way to get out of handcuffs.
You don't have to break the handcuffs or use the key. This is the method.
Yeah, you don't. Here, so I'm gonna take off this sock. This works with any sock. Has to go above your ankle though.
Okay.
So I'm going to.
Oh yeah, you do the thing.
Let me see. So I have to slip it through.
Yeah.
Right. Do you have water by any chance?
Yeah, I do have water. One second, you go get it.
Oh, okay. Here. So, what this is going to do is that you cannot get out of this handcuff like this because it needs to be more slippery.
Okay.
So this helps with creating less friction on my wrist so I can slip out of this handcuff. So I got to pull the sock through. I'm actually going to roll up my sleeve for this. Okay. I can't believe you've never seen this before.
Well, I haven't seen you do it, but I haven't seen anyone else do it, so I want to see you do it.
I think that is good. See, it already looks a little looser.
But can you
I still can't get my hand out
even
though.
If it was okay.
No, see? Look.
Yeah.
Okay, can you put water on my whole entire arm?
I've never seen you do the water
Completely.
So you're only doing the water thing because it's really tight or something?
Yes. Yeah, you put it really tight.
Oh wow, just
keep on going.
Oh, this is really...
Oh shoot.
Okay.
Okay, well, focus it more on the cuff right here. Yeah.
Like this?
Oh shoot.
Okay. It's like bouncing, but it's kind of getting wet. But
yeah.
You
just gotta
maybe
really
rub
soak it
your
in.
arm in there.
Oh shoot. Oh.
Try. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. It's like a water repellent sock.
I know.
It's still getting wet.
Okay. So I just have to soak. Oof.
Yeah. Okay. Now what's the next thing?
Okay. So the next thing. Oh, this is really tight. You put them on pretty good.
Yeah, I know.
All right. So now what I have to do is I have to pull this all the way down.
Yeah.
Like so.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna put my hand in a fist.
Yeah.
And I am going to pull the sock through.
Okay.
So as you can see now, you see the cuff. Can you put a little bit more water on there?
Yeah, I'm running out. Yeah.
I need it right there. Yeah,
okay.
just put it inside.
Okay.
Yeah,
so now if you were in an escape scenario, you can use your saliva, right? It would take longer, but that's what you would use.
In a desperate situation, yes.
Yeah.
But thank God we have water.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to, you have to relax your hand.
Okay.
Because if you don't relax your hands, it's going to be too tense.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna buckle up on my wrist.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna try to pull it through. Okay. You can see my hand is completely.
Yeah. So slip it. Oh.
Okay. Hold on.
It's getting close.
Hold on. See, there's a bone right here.
Yeah.
I can't get over that. See?
But the sock is helping, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, my poor.
It never ceases to amaze me, this one.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's almost there.
That's ridiculous.
Yes!